I just want to make this really quick video. If my eyes look all dopey, it's because, well, I didn't take my Lamictal this morning, my seizure meds, for the first time. Not the first time, well, kind of the first time. A long time ago, probably about 3 years ago, I would forget to take my meds because I was depressed. And then I started taking them less and less and less, and I was having more and more seizures. And I thought, well, I'm going to be stuck on these meds my entire life. And then I realized, this morning, I just realized, for the first time in my life, I had realized that seizure meds actually make you depressed. Didn't know that. They actually change your mood from bipolar manic kind of. They change your mood. They make you depressed. It's if you look up Lamictal in particular or any seizure meds, they all cause depression. I didn't know this. I had lots of marijuana edibles last night. Like, I think I had half of a. My brain is just overly working this morning. Anyways, last night I took about half of an edible, which is enough when it's 120 milligrams. So I had about 500 milligrams of THC. And the results are phenomenal. I mean, I'm able to be calm, but at the same time complete a bunch of things and stay focused. The main problem with people with epilepsy, especially me, is staying focused. Like in every video, I bring up a topic and then I get sidetracked and start doing another topic. With my seizure meds, me not taking them because last night I forgot to take them. I ate the weed too early and I was starting to fall asleep by 7. But I have had more focus not having them than having them. I slept for 13 hours. 13 hours. It feels as though my body is moving faster as where my head is moving slower. Does that make sense? So I have this calm, slow focus without the bipolar, and I'm still able to think. I'm not bipolar. The meds are what make you bipolar. Drugs in general make you bipolar. If you're slightly different as a kid, they give you all these drugs. Also, if you have epilepsy, they give you a bunch of drugs until one works for you and you stop having seizures. Then they start lowering the medication once you're not having seizures anymore. Then you start having seizures because your body relied on the medication and you're going through withdrawals. Yeah. Was that a lot all at once? Well, I'm beginning to think that if I keep taking marijuana and I do not take my seizure meds, I'm going to become twice as powerful as I am currently. Because this happened the last time that I purposely didn't take my meds. I was in this focused, yet slow, yet fast-moving environment. That's a good word to put for it. I was able to think faster but be slower. I was able to stop, think, then make decision. My regular day life, as happy or positive as I am, all I'm able to do is think of an idea and execute it. I don't think of an idea like I am now, then pause, think about, should I actually say that? I can get a bunch of ideas and think about a bunch of things and then maybe do some of them. Now it's just like, wow. This just proves how bad pharmaceutical drugs are for you. They're all antidepressants, so when you stop taking them, you feel like shit, just like alcohol and cigarettes. Marijuana is number one, the only drug that has helped me in my life be a human being, a normal human being. Also, the walking while recording is different. I'm not feeling the need. My brain isn't moving so fast that I don't feel the need to walk around because I have constant thoughts. No. I believe that if I was raised differently, in a different environment, I would never even have epilepsy altogether. I had no bedroom growing up, so only went to bed when my parents went to bed, and I could hear everything, like the TV. My dad would blast the TV, and I wasn't able to sleep, and then I had seizures during the day. I would tell my family to not do that, but they didn't listen. So, yes, seizure meds and just meds in general have bipolar type of effects. So when you miss your meds and you feel all moody and shitty without having weed, then it's not you, it's the drugs. And your body is trying to flush them out because it didn't have its dose. Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with you. It's wrong with the drugs that your doctors are giving you. That's what's wrong. My leg is going to heal so incredibly fast. This is a different subject, but at least I'm admitting it in this video. I'm transitioning into a different subject matter. My leg is going to heal so incredibly fast because, here's an example. Yesterday, when I cut my finger, it didn't bleed, but a tiny bit of blood came out, and then it started healing. But this morning, it's actually healing, some light on that. It's actually healing twice as fast. The skin is, the skin is going over the cut. This has never happened with a big cut. If it's a small cut, it heals instantly. If it's a big cut, it usually doesn't heal. But yesterday, it healed. And now, today, skin is forming over it, which is pretty sick because I didn't scab. Yeah. I'm going to end it now and say hi to my dog. Becky, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh, you little savage. He'll attack you if you get near me. Yes, my little Leo doggy.